Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Chris here from Royal Honda, and today I am going to show you how to check what maintenance you're going to need to do the next time you book a service appointment on your 2018 Honda Accord. So this is actually pretty simple. There's two ways that you can do this. You can do this on your main touchscreen over here, or of course you can use it on your interface over on this side while you can use while driving. But anyways, first of all, we'll go over to this side here. Now, as you can see on this new interface, there's tons of different options you can click on. It's all touch screen. You can slide it just like a smartphone or like a tablet. Where we're going to go is that we're going to go into these settings. So we're going to go into the settings here, and you're going to want to click on vehicle. So that'd be the bottom one right there. When you go into your vehicle settings, you're going to have to scroll down a little bit. Now, you can use the arrow or you can slide, whichever you prefer. And we're going to take a look at the maintenance info. Now, when we go into the maintenance info, it's going to tell us what service we have to do next. And in this case, the next service is a service A, which is just the engine oil. And of course, you can even have the option down there to reset it if you're doing it yourself. But we recommend if you're bringing the car in, let the technicians take care of that for you. The service here on the cars is actually very important especially if you plan on keeping your warranty here. If you don't follow this, you might run into issues with warranty down the road, and stuff like that. But anyways, so when we go over to here, we're gonna find the maintenance reminder over on the left side here on this screen. On the left side, as you can see, there's lots of options on the new Accord. So many different options that you can go through, and of course you can customize this however you like. But anyways, how to get to there, if we go on the steering wheel, the default one's going to be your tachometer. But anyways, when you're going to the steering wheel, you're going to see you got some buttons over here. And go ahead and push on that home button. And as you can see, the screen has changed. Now what we got here is a little scroller. So we're going to scroll down until we find maintenance. As you can see, we got the wrench there, and then you click. And there we go. Right there, it tells you what kind of service you need to do next. The same thing as what we saw on the other screen, which would be your maintenance A. So guys and girls, there you go. That's how you check to see what service you have to do next on your 2018 Honda Accord.